Say goodbye to paperwork. With Orange Sign, OrangeHRM's built-in e-signature solution, teams can review, sign, and manage documents digitally, all within the platform they already use. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the signing experience across the Performance module workflow. Let's get started. We're inside the Performance module. This appraisal is complete. Both the self-evaluation and the main evaluator's submission are done. Now it's time to sign. Clicking the drop-down next to the main evaluator's name reveals the signing option. We'll select Sign to begin. The signer is presented with a consent screen to review before proceeding. Once ready, they check I agree and click Continue. The signer can now review the full document. Clicking Next jumps them directly to the signature field. Clicking Sign. Here opens the signature modal. The signer can type their signature, choosing from multiple styles or draw it freehand. Once satisfied, they click Sign to place it on the document. The signature can be edited or removed at any point. There's also an optional comments field. When ready, clicking Finish prompts a final confirmation, and the signed document is immediately available to view and download. With 2 signers on this appraisal, an email is automatically sent to the employee. It includes a Review and Sign Document button. Clicking it takes them to the login screen, and the same process follows from there. Once both signers are done, a full audit trail is attached to the document. The downloaded PDF confirms it is certified by OrangeHRM. Both signers then receive a confirmation email with the completed document attached, ready in their inbox. And that's Orange Sign, a seamless, secure, and fully integrated e-signature experience across performance, employee management, and recruitment, all within OrangeHRM.